Hello, this is Ken Barron. I'm with the National Association of Black and White Men Together, asking you to subscribe, to like, and to comment on our podcasts and the many platforms we have. Today's topic is Supreme Court Bombshell. First, I want to acknowledge what a grave and scary moment this is, because on Monday, a Supreme Court draft opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito was leaked to the press, suggesting that a majority of justices are prepared to overrule Roe v. Wade. That's the Reproductive Rights Act. If and when Roe v. Wade is overturned, at least 23 states will immediately or shortly thereafter have bans or extremely severe restrictions on abortion. That won't end abortion in those states, but it will end safe abortions, causing needless deaths disproportionately among low-income and minority women. If you're reading this and feeling overwhelmed, scared, or sad, we're right there with you. And we send you our love and solidarity from the National Association of Black and White Men Together. In the 13 states that have enacted so-called trigger laws, 43% of adults on average say abortion should be legal in most or all cases, while 52% say it should be illegal in most or all cases. Voters are more divided in a dozen or so states that have pre-Roe bans on the books or that are expected to enact new abortion restrictions if Roe versus Wade is overturned. In those states where the fight over abortion is most likely to play out in campaigns or state legislative chambers, an average of 49% of adults say about abortion that it should be legal in most or all cases, compared with 45% who say otherwise. This geographic pattern is evident in the results and suggests that a national outcry over a court decision to overturn Roe might not carry many political consequences in the states where abortions could be immediately restricted. In some of those states, new abortion restrictions may tend to reinforce the political status quo, even as they spark outrage elsewhere in the country. But in some states, a fight over new abortion restrictions might pose serious political risks for conservatives, perhaps especially in the 7 most Republican-controlled states that are seen as most likely to enact new restrictions, even though a majority of voters tend to support legal abortions. Talking of that, while public support for legal abortions has fluctuated, it has remained relatively stable over the past 5 years. In May of 2021, Pew Research found that 59% said abortion should be legal in all or most cases, while 39% said it should be illegal in all but most cases. This could open the door to eliminate other rights, such as affirmative actions, various forms of immigration, a government-run single-payer healthcare system, labor unions, same-sex marriages, and other LGBT rights, transgender rights as well. And that includes sexual preferences into anti-discrimination statutes, also comprehensive sex education, and most definitely voting rights. Here at the National Association of Black and White Men Together, we have been understandably focused on men's rights, but now is the time to support women and their right to decide what they can and cannot do with their bodies. Remember, women supported us in the AIDS epidemic. So the need is urgent. We need to hold on to the House, the Senate, and other down-ballot races. You can do your part, however small, in person, online, or contribute. Reach out online to Vote Save America, for example, Mobilize Us, or other sites that get out the vote and do effective campaigns for these things. Fight for the rights of all people to speak, to live, and to love freely. Please especially vote in the 2022 midterms and beyond. This is Ken Barron, thanking you for listening. Please subscribe, like us, and comment on our platforms and on our website, nabwmt.org. You can email us at nabwmt@nabwnt.org. Thank you for listening.